Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing, or in this case, unpackaging, the Philips SHK2000BL kids headphones. On the front of the package, you can see the headphones itself through this clear plastic molded packaging. There's some kid friendly designing on the background, and here we have a branding saying that they are kids headphones in a couple of languages. Right in the middle, we can see that it has a maximum volume of 85 decibels to protect the hearing of the kids. Here we can see that it is meant for kids 3 years or older, and right at the bottom we have the Philips branding. On the back of the package, some of the salient features are right up here. The 85 decibel maximum volume feature has been repeated once again. It also has an headband that is designed to fit and grow with the kids. It has a durable screw free design, meaning that the headphones can click back into place easily, and noise isolating ear cushions allow for more detail at lower sound levels. Over here, we have an illustration of the connector type and the length of the cable. So the connector type is a 3.5 audio jack, and it has a 1.2 meter long cable. Right in the middle, we have a sticker with some information regarding the importing, manufacturing, and customer care information. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, all we get are the headphones itself. First impressions, we can clearly see that it has a blue and green color theme going for it. The headband is reasonably flexible, uh, and it also can be extended. As mentioned on the box, it can grow with your child. The headband also has conveniently marked left and right indicators, and this is quite big actually compared to other headphones. When it comes to the ear cups, they have a reasonable amount of flexibility as well along the x axis. The ear pads are quite soft and made from a sponge like material. There is some Philips branding on each ear cup. Coming to the cable, we can see that it has a gray colored cable. We already know that it is 1.2 meters long, and the connector is of a 3.5 audio jack. It is of the TRS kind. There's some Philips branding on the connector as well. And yeah, to get started with using these headphones, all we need is a compatible device. For the purposes of this video, we will be using an Android smartphone. Once connected, we can use this headphone to listen to our favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the Philips SHK2000BL kids headphones. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.